Despite their admission of them finally being together, rumors still try to put a wedge between Mateo and Sarah's mommy Divine. But what is the real deal between the parents and the boyfriend? Plus, our exclusive video of Mateo and Sarah together in this report. Even after they've gone public about their relationship, the Ashmat love team is still besieged by countless rumors, usually about Sarah being bantay sarado by her mommy Divine. Asked about rumors that mommy Divine is still allegedly against him as Sarah's boyfriend, Mateo says,
wala naman akong masabi dun po, pero wala akong masabi dun. Basta, you know, every relationship there's always challenges, so everything will be better, diba? In time, everything's always in time, diba? And prayers.
Asked if he's allowed to visit Sarah in her house and whether they can go out on their own, Mateo says,
pero okay na nakakadalo ko naman.
Okay naman. Yeah, of course. Siyempre, she's my girlfriend, diba? I have the right to bring her wherever I want. So yun. Yeah, with friends, gano'n. Sometimes, but you know, we also have our times together, our times together, so it's normal naman.
So, ibig sabihin kakalabas naman pala kayo, kayong dalawa, with consent ng family?
Yeah.
does he still ask permission from mommy Divine?
Do I ask permission? She knows all the time. She knows naman.
After letting Sarah watch his kissing scenes in his upcoming film, Mateo says,
Natatakot ka ako eh. Bakit? Blindfold ko lang muna, mga 3 seconds lang yun eh. Biro lang. Naintindihan ba siya? Mas jealous ako eh. So, yun. Okay naman lahat.
always painted as an overbearing and overprotective mother to Sarah, Mommy Divine opens up in a rare one-on-one interview with Exena magazine. In the said interview, Mommy Divine recounts the hardships Sarah went through in order to achieve success. Mommy Divine also tries to shed light on people calling her intrusive when it comes to Sarah's love life. She says that she always prays for that special person who will become worthy of her daughter's love. She denied telling Sarah what to do when it comes to her personal life, saying, quote, "Ganito kasi ang panuntunan namin sa buhay na hindi namin gagawin na sabihin sa kanya na ito ang gusto ko para sa'yo. Hindi. Ayaw namin ng ganon. Pinapayuhan namin siya, pero kung ano ang gusto mo, ikaw pa rin ang masusunod. Desisyon pa rin niya." End quote. Mommy Divine says she always encourages Sarah to pray for guidance in choosing the right man. Quote, "Sabihin niya muna kay Lord, ito po ba ang right guy? Ask for his wisdom." End quote. As for their advice to Sarah in finding Mr. Right, Mommy Divine says, quote, "Lagi lang namin sinasabi na sana yung lalaking pipiliin niya ay yung masasandalan niya habang buhay. Emotionally ay matuturuan siya kung saan talaga dadalhin ang emosyon para sa ikabubuti ang emosyon. Hindi yung puro emosyon na lang. Pakonsuelo na lang ang physical, ang appearance." End quote. Amidst controversies, it seems things are going well between Sarah and Mateo. In this exclusive video, Cinema News was able to capture a private moment between the couple that is sure to make Ashmat fans swoon. Sarah and Mateo were caught in public showing a very rare display of affection. The two are seen talking by a dressing room in between takes on an episode of ASAP Live. In this part of the video, the two can be seen laughing and hugging each other, even allowing other people to take a picture of the both of them. The pop star princess can also be seen very malambing to Mateo during their conversation, even fixing his hair for it. Mateo, on the other hand, can't seem to peel his eyes away from Sarah all throughout the video. Everyone can really feel the kilig from this couple. Despite their past and the issues they've gone through, it seems they were still destined to find love with each other.
Sarah and I, our values are strong, diba? We always try, kahit maraming issues, babalik kami kung bakit mahal natin yung isa't isa, diba? So yun, we always have to remember yung basis kung bakit nagmamahalan tayo, bakit mahal natin yung isa't isa, diba? So we always go back to that.